Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. I'll help you learn how to log into WhatsApp Business in today's episode. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. WhatsApp Business is a free app available on Android and iPhone. It was built with the small business owner in mind. WhatsApp Business makes interacting with customers easy by providing tools to automate, sort, and quickly respond to messages. To log into WhatsApp Business, make sure you've downloaded the app. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for WhatsApp Business. After you find the app, tap on the install button to download if you haven't downloaded the app yet. Once you download the app, simply tap open the application. As soon as it opens, tap on agree and continue. Now on the next page, you'll need to enter your country, your phone number. After you're done, tap on the next button. Now confirm by tapping on use the particular number as your WhatsApp Business. If you want to use a different number, then you can simply tap on use a different number. After you are sure that you want to use the same number for your WhatsApp Business, then tap on use. Now to move your chat history, media and contact information, you'll need to allow WhatsApp Business to access to your contact and your device's photo and files. Tap on continue from the pop-up and allow access by tapping on allow. On the next page, you'll need to create your business profile. This is to help the customers to know and to learn about your businesses. Type in your name. On the next field, search for the business category. After you're done, tap on the next button. Wait for a few moments. If you want to explore through WhatsApp Business before starting, then simply tap on the Explore button. You can manage addresses, hours under your business profiles and lots of menu appearing right here as you can see. Go back and select a backup frequency for your messages and media to your Google Drive. Whether it is daily, weekly, monthly, or never, simply select it from the menu and tap on Done. As you can see that I have logged into WhatsApp Business. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.